Right, YouTube, how you doing today? Remember, like and subscribe. We're trying to get this channel up in the liking and subscribing thing. So what about a couple taps, couple comments? Don't matter, just throw a comment in here. So I have this 24 ZDX today, and it's funny because I've been having a lot of ZDX with the same problem. Rear view camera do not work, right? I did a couple checks and and check the wiring and stuff like this, but bottom line, this ZDXs, we're having a lot of problem with the rear view camera. I replaced the rear view camera on this one after check wirings and stuff like this, and it's working now. Before it was black with the lines on and a little camera sign. So the fix for this is replace the camera. Okay, let's go in the back and show you how I did it. All right, so the first thing we want to do is, this is pretty easy, guys. All right, this is clips. This panel has all clips. This coming off, these two panels coming off. You're gonna remove this, all clips. They're gonna come down. You're gonna have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And inside here, you have a 7mm nuts. You're gonna take all 7mm nuts. And left and right, you have total of 5mm nuts. 3 here and 2 here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bolt total. When you get all these bolts and nuts, this part come off. This whole part come off. So you're gonna, it's holding by clips. You're gonna have to be a little aggressive with the clips, and all this part come off, and you can replace the camera. As you can see, it's a brand new camera. Now everything is working.